That bathroom break worked out perfectly. Alright, speaking of bad things, you know some movies are so bad that they're actually good? Anyone seen the horror flick Evil Dead? Well, just when you thought couldn't get any cheesier, they added music.
Alright, Shelly. Now remember, I'll give you some clues and you'll try to guess the word. Okay. The blank hunter. Blank Dundee. Rhymes with crocodile, starts with a C. I don't know, this is hard. Okay, the word was crocodile. Crocodile. Okay, next word. Okay, so this is when you're playing football and you score. It's a ruse. Right, Cheryl. Okay, when you eat lunch on a blanket.
A picnic.
When I go.
The butcher.
When we.
The vitamin C, mussel, porridge, quintuplets, hamster!
Wait a second, she's been studying the cards. Nobody's this good at taboo.
Cheryl, is everything alright?
Why have you disturbed our sleep? Awakened us from our ancient slumber. You will die. Nightmare is before you. Like others before you, you're gonna tumble. One by one, we are gonna take you. One by one, nothing you can do. One by one, you will surely fall. One by one, I'm gonna kill you all. Now I'll ask you a question. Not where, why, how, but who? Look who's evil now.
What the hell happened to her? I mean, I've seen games of taboo bring out the worst in people, but that's fucking ridiculous. Guys, I think that when we played that tape, you must have unleashed some evil force that took over Cheryl's soul and made her a demon. Yeah, nice work, Captain Obvious. I think the rest of us got that ages ago.
I didn't. Oh, Ash, did you see her eyes? I'm scared. Let's cover with her blanket.
I'm no doctor. She looks sick. This is very dramatic.
Wow! Suck it to me, baby! I said, look who's evil, look who's evil, look who's evil now. I said, look who's evil, look who's evil, look who's evil now. You thought I was a prude, you treated me rude. But that was a mistake, cause now your lives I'll take. Cheryl, you're so sweet and nice, your soul will fetch a hefty price. I'll show you I'm a better man, mingle with the best of them. Now I'll ask you a question, not where, why, how, but who? Look who's evil now. Now, I know I told you I'd take you all out one by one, and well, I don't want to make false promises. So kids, let's kick it. First Ash, I'll whoop your ass. Then Stash, I'll bust your nut. Then Shelly, I'll guard your belly. Then Linda, I'll stick a pencil in ya. Take her to the back of the room. She's I said, look who's evil, look who's evil, look who's evil now. Guess who's evil, look who's evil, look who's evil now. Listen, I said, look who's evil, who's evil now. Hold it down. You didn't stop me! You didn't stupid stuff! You just delayed me momentarily. Who's the stupid bitch now? Who's the stupid bitch now?
This is freaking me out, Ash. Me too, buddy. Me too. My sister just turned into a demon. A fucking foul-mouthed one, too. Are you gonna be okay?
Dead by dawn! You'll be dead by dawn!
We're gonna be just fine. Well, we'll be fine. Just as long as nobody else in our party turns into a demon. Not Shelly, too.
That's right, Scotty. This here Shelly's got a brand new strut. Cause now I am a killing, bitchy, evil demon slut. You thought you were be an easy lay, but now I'll swallow up your soul like it was a buffet. Cause I'm mean, 19, and hungry for a scream. I'll bounce on your innards like they were trampoline. Ow! Now I'll ask you a question.
Finish!
But look who's evil now. Now my friend over there is more the type to go after you all individually. And that's fine, Cheryl Pie. You do it your way.
Girl, you know it!
But Scott, since you've been so sweet as to have asked me on this trip, you'll be the first one I'll take with me. Join us.
Dude, grab the gun. Shoot her. Shoot it. I can't shoot Shelly. She's a friend of ours. God damn it, Ash. You haven't even known that skank one day.
Ah!